love, relationship and romance. That's a workshop coming up. आप सबको निमंत्रण है. आपको obviously निमंत्रण हमारा, चुनाव आपका. But what is love, relationship and romance? What this workshop is all about. This workshop is about attaining a wholeness, an experience of fulfillment, the intimacy, the belongingness, the oneness, an experience of being loved and inspired, willing to take on the life, experiencing the confidence in life to be what we have always longed to be and dreamed about and aspired to be: creative, effective, productive, and generating this ability to continually excel in our chosen areas. That's what this workshop is about. And how does this work? This works on a premise, on our understanding that who we are our relationships. See, we exist in the universe, but our existence in the universe is in relationship or in relation to something or the other. That relation in any given moment of time or space gives rise to the context of that very moment. So at home, either you are a father or you are a son or you are a mother or a daughter or a brother or a sister, and that very context is created out of the relationship or in relationship to what you are addressing generates. Similarly, you can have a relationship with your car, with your clothes, with your profession, with your education, with your degrees, with the university you have went to, with the office that you go to. Okay, you may have a relationship with your ambition, your aspiration, your goals. You may have a relationship with success, or maybe the relationship with the results. And who you are is continually being defined consciously or unconsciously with the relationship that we are. Now, this premise that the wholeness of who we are is nothing but the field of relationship that we are. And this field of relationship, which is quite vast and big, we are a small entity, feeling weak, suffocated, left alone, misunderstood, misfit. Now that small entity is unable to deliver on what it wants to deliver on, to take on responsibility in a creative way of the whole life, in different relationships. Now to work out all these different relationships in a magical harmony, putting the whole life in a fulfilling context, giving it a meaning, a purpose, a wholeness, is all that this workshop is about. So come along, join us. We are having the workshop on the dates that are being listed below, and eagerly awaiting. Love you. Thank you.